CCPA seems to have taken over GDPR as that nasty four-letter word. And with 6 months to accomplish 2 years of efforts, BigDataRevealed can. First, I want to validate for you that there is data in row 1 for Lisa and also show that none of the data in either table 1 or 2 is encrypted. These two tables will be the input for both the citizen's request for their right of erasure and for the general encryption of several personal information patterns. So, when we view the written tables back to this database, we know the expected results. Our expected results will be Lisa's information erased that she asked to be erased and for the data the users asked to be encrypted. Now let's simply establish our connection to the input database, in this case MySQL. We will then select the process we want to run, in this case, the citizen's right of erasure, and then click on the drop-down box and select to write the results back to the originating database, again MySQL. We now need to add the database schema. Now let's click Test the connection. The connection is successful. Now we added the values the citizen Lisa wanted erased as her right of erasure is being exercised, and now we click Run, to run the job. Now as we look at the results of Lisa's right of erasure, we see that in table 1 in MySQL, row 1, Lisa's information is now erased and gone as requested and as her right under CCPA and GDPR depending on where one lives and where the data originated from. Now as we look at table 2, however, we see that there are still a few columns in row 1 where the rest of Lisa's data originated and was deleted from in table 1. This occurred for Lisa did not request this specific data to be deleted. Before I show you, this data was in the input. This is a valid reason as a citizen to first request the information a company has of your, then request your right of erasure. As we see, this data was in the input. Now let's look at one of the most important attributes of BigDataRevealed, its metadata catalogs. Here we are viewing what is stored in the MySQL database about all previous BigDataRevealed jobs. Here we can see down to the column and even row or rows what information was deleted from Lisa's request for her right of erasure. This information serves not only as evidence of your company's actions to citizens' requests, as we export it to Excel, it also serves as the information to be sent to the citizens that request what information you have stored on them. Now, look at our video channel at the last video showing encryption and other features for GDPR and CCPA related to our new Spark, JDBC, RDBMS offering, and reach Steve at 847-791-7838 for further information.